This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable disappearing messages on WhatsApp. I will be using the desktop app on a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to WhatsApp here. I have WhatsApp opened up now. To enable or disable disappearing messages, you want to open up Settings first. I'm going to go off to the left-hand side, down to the very bottom, to the little profile icon. I'm going to click on that. Then in this left side pane here, I'm going to go to the one that says Privacy. Click on Privacy. And then right down here, Disappearing Messages. Default Message Timer. As you can see, mine is off. By default, yours is probably turned off, but you just click on Default Message Timer. It gives you several different options. It says, Start new chats with disappearing messages. Do you want them to disappear every 24 hours, 7 days, 90 days, or turn it off? Down below that it says, when turned on, all new individual chats will start with disappearing messages set to the duration you select. This setting will not affect your existing chats. You would just choose between one of these here. That is how to enable or disable disappearing messages on WhatsApp. Thanks for watching.